Welcome back to another one. This is Fin and Foul Films. I'm Nick. We got Garrett.
Yep.
We're going trout fishing. Let's get it. So a couple days ago, I had somebody ask me, one of my worker buddies, and he's like, they were talking, there was two of them, they were talking about their weekend plans. One of them was going to downtown Cleveland to go to the bars. The other one was going to college bars in Kent. And then one of them turned around and asked me, he was like, Nick, what are you doing this weekend? And I answered that with one sentence. I said, you'll find me where the water is.
Wow.
Yeah.
I got a similar one. I got a pretty similar one.
What is it?
Not so much I got asked. It was more of an observation thing. But today, I worked Saturday. I don't usually work Saturdays today. I had my schedule all messed up, whatever. But I was in, and we were talking about our plans for tonight, and I was like, yeah, we're going to Central PA and gonna try to go get some trout, hop in the car and drive in 4 hours right after work. And my coworker, also Nick, was like, dude, you do that every weekend, man. You just get in the car and go. You find a place to go fishing every weekend. And I was like, yeah, you know, I can sleep when I'm dead. I'm going fishing.
Amen. So right now, it's 6 o'clock, 6 p.m., Saturday night. Me and Garrett just hopped in the car, truck. Now we're driving 3.5 hours to go trout fishing.
Don't even know where yet.
No, we're going now. And that brings me up to one of my favorite quotes of all time. Came from Joe Cermelli, who was a Field and Stream editor back in the day. Now he was a meat eater. Now he's kind of doing his own thing. But in one of his old outdoorsman book, in one of the intros, he has this paragraph about fishing. It goes something along the lines of, to me, fishing is not just a hobby or a pastime, which it's not. It is part of who I am, and it is important to me for my mental health as it is for somebody to get 8 hours of sleep. And we run around like crazy all the time. And what the message I want to send with this video to you guys at home is, this is what we live for. I mean, there's not another place in the world that I'd rather be going right now than exploring, being out in nature and catching fish, trying to catch fish.
Yeah, flat out, we are just sending it. I've been so excited. Today at work dragged so bad because 2 nights ago, was that just, no, it was 2 nights ago now that you texted me, let's go trout fishing this weekend. And I was like, yes, let's do it. All I have been able to think about since that text was trout fishing. It has been 2 long days. I've been waiting for this moment of getting in the car and going. Just waiting for this set, and I'm so pumped up right now.
With that being said, we'll catch you on the water. Well, we have made it to the water. Stream's right over here. Sun just went down. It's like 9:45 right now, so we're gonna get fishing and see what happens. We're gonna throw on some ice, I think, but we'll show you our rigs. I am throwing 9'5" weight. I'm throwing a mouse right now. I tied this up. Garrett's throwing this little green spider. You know, we're gonna see if we can't get some night bites here.
I already missed one. Pretty phenomenal big bite conditions. We are not the most skillful trout fishermen, but the odds are in our favor right now between the cicadas being out right now, and it's low light and flows are beautiful for a big fish. I mean, they're up and they're a little off color, so the odds are in our favor for a big fish to be.
Where'd you miss that one? Right in here?
Literally right under this.
Wow. Wow. Well, we're gonna shut the lights off and get to it, get the mouse and see what we can't catch. We'll see. We're gonna be cutting the camera because obviously there's no point in recording if you can't see us. So Garrett, you have a cicada on your back. Don't move. It's big.
Whoa! That is awesome.
Let him go. Trout bait.
Thrown him in the water. Wow.
Oh man, does it get deep over here now? So apparently, Garrett's walking back here. Apparently, it's like, what is it? Almost midnight. We're trying to find this dam and we can't find it. Garrett is barefoot. Dogs are out. What's going on, Garrett?
Basically couldn't find my socks in the trucks wearing my wading boots. No socks. Well, that was about the worst thing I could have ever done to myself. Blisters all over my feet, walking barefoot, gravel backs. I couldn't stand to have my boots on any longer.
No sign of the dam yet. I think we're close. No luck, it's 1:20 right now. Garrett lost 2.
Yeah, I lost 1. I missed 2.
1:20 in the morning. Well, we're up and at 'em. It's 6 o'clock right now. We slept for about 3 hours. We're carbing up real quick. We're getting a couple muffins. We're gonna fish a brook trout stream, Brookie Brown stream, next stream. And,
small stream is just what I would call it.
And then we're gonna might cook up some food after that and go from there.
Oh my God. No, I start with that.
Yeah? Look at that chat.
I'm starting with a real short leader.
So these are all dry flies right here. And dry flies, Garrett, you want to explain dry flies to the folks that don't know?
So dry flies are supposed to float, and they imitate any bugs landing on the water. Right now, we got a cicada hatch going on here in Central PA. I haven't really heard any here yet, but these big dries, like what Nick's throwing on.
This is considered a big fly.
Like
for you,
yeah, that is a
for those of you that don't fly fish.
big dry fly.
Yeah.
And it's going to be fire. Here's what I'm going to go with to start.
Look at that. Wow. So, we got the hopper on the main line here. And they're running about a foot dropper to this little nymph right here. Garrett's got a dry dropper on too. So, we're going to head down to the stream and hopefully get on some fish. Down this trail, I figured. Dude, Garrett, this is unreal. This is unreal, all these ferns.
Look at the mountain laurel in front of you.
Is this what this is?
Yeah.
I saw it from back there and I was wondering what that was. Is this blueberry? No. I'm tripping. What is this? You don't know, do you, Garrett? Like, look at this. Look at this down here.
You're not tripping.
Yeah, look at it like down here like this.
So usually when I find blueberries around here, it's with mountain laurel. So that's
Wow.
exactly where it would be going. Because both of them usually grow on the ridges, which we are not here.
Interesting.
Hey.
Oh yeah? Yeah? No, look at them up here. Oh yeah, all wild blueberries. Wow. Wow. That's fire.
Yeah.
Look at that, folks. Little brook trout.
On camera. You see him come
oh,
all
yeah.
the way out.
I thought there was a fish in there. There's first little brookie. It's a nice, oh, sorry buddy.
Good move.
Get him, Garrett. Bigger.
How big? 6?
5. Look at him, Garrett.
Wow.
Absolute beauty. That was on the dropper, Garrett.
Yeah, I saw that.
No, down goes Garrett.
Croc.
Oh my god. Don't, jeez. So these brook trout are real spooky. And we really gotta try to sneak up to these holes and not disturb them. Not try to show too much of our body. So we're kind of standing far back here away from the stream, and Garrett's gonna fish just run out for a little bit and then maybe scoot up, make some farther casts. Yep. Oh, just a little guy. Just a little brookie. Oh, oh, wow. That was a vicious heat. Biggest one of the day so far. These are absolute beauties on the dry.
Fish are real light. They got that spring creek brook trout look too. You want to do it?
Go. Oh, fish on. Fish on.
Same. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Come here, boy. Oh no.
Wow.
We picked up 2 fish in this little run right here. What's that? That's my 3rd, that's your 1st?
Yep, 4 fish.
4 fish.
I think I'm gonna crack one over that hole over there. Right there. Both those fish came right here though. So, I mean, this stream is just simply beautiful. A nymph that time.
Oh my god!
Sound like a big one.
It wasn't too big. It was up there with our best today. Right against the bank right here.
Yes.
What do you say, a good time to call it?
Yeah, good time of hitting. We're on the wrong side of the street though.
We are in ankle deep mud. Garrett is walking barefoot.
Once again.
This could hurt Garrett here.
Oh, ow.
Oh, crunch. Onward. Well, we just ended the first session. And Garrett, how many did you get? 4?
4, couple LDRs. 2.
Garrett, nobody knows what that is, man.
LDRs, man. Long distance release, man.
I think I caught 4 or 5, lost quite a few.
These are LDRs, man.
We're going to another stream. Hopefully get on some browns maybe. There's some cicadas out. So it'd be cool if we could get on a cicada flyby. Shout out Puro Farms Raised Meats.
As always.
That's always a staple. Got ground beef browning in the pan. We're gonna throw some roasted garlic and herb on that. Then we got yellow, red peppers, onion, 90-second rice gonna go in there. We got some tortillas too.
And for oh my god!
Well, here's the final result: ground beef, 90-second rice, some veggies, tortillas. We're gonna get to eating and then head to the next stream.
Oh my!
This one?
Yeah.
I'm stuck in a tree. No. Garrett. Garrett. These are nice fish, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Just whack the nice brown on the big dry fly. Peek it in. Absolute beauty. There he goes. Let's go. I missed two come up to the fly. Finally struck one here. Let's go. Yes. This is going to be a tough one to land. Yes! Another beautiful brown in the net. Gorgeous fish. Just choked. Yeah, chubby. Well, it's a few days later. Me and Jansen getting ready to do some walleye fishing tomorrow. Stay tuned for that video. But forgot to shoot an outro for this video. We ended up catching quite a few brook trout and 3 brown trout. And overall, it was a great trip. Appreciate you guys watching this. Stay tuned. Me and Jansen gonna get after some walleyes up in Cleveland tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Sir.